guys, welcome to Weblock YouTube channel. Today I will discuss how to create a website for free in 2020. Nowadays, the website is the most important thing for any growth of the business. Many of you thinking that building a website is very costly. But wait, building a website is pocket friendly in 2020. Even anyone can build a website without knowing the programming or coding. Whether the website is for yourself or business, only you need is 2 to 3 hours for building a website. Here I will tell you to step-by-step guide without spending any money on freelancers or website builders. Only you need 3 things to build a website. 1. Domain name. 2. Website hosting. 3. WordPress. Without domain name and hosting you are unable to create a website. These 2 things are most important. Once you have chosen your domain name and hosting, then creating a website with WordPress is a very simple process. About 30% of the websites on the internet today are using the WordPress website. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Steps to launch a website. 1. Choose a domain name. The first thing you will need is the domain name. The domain name is your website name and address. The visitors will search your website by your website domain name. This website domain name is weblock.in. Yours will be different. The domain name can cost anywhere between $10 to $50 a year. There are many sites from where you can take a domain name as GoDaddy, BigRock, Bluehost, etc. If you have already taken a domain name, then it's great. But if you have not taken a domain name, then I will show you how you can take a domain name free for the first year in Step 2. 2. Register a domain name with hosting. After having a domain name, you will also need a website hosting or web hosting. Web hosting is the place where your hosting will store your website content. Without hosting, your site will not able to access by others to read and browse. Web hosting can cost anywhere between $3 to $10 a month. Whatever the hosting you are choosing, make sure it has the following features. 1. Free domain name with SSL certificate. 2. One-click install for WordPress. 3. Custom email accounts. 4. Customer support, 24/7 live chat. We recommend Bluehost for web hosting because this provides all the features above about web hosting. As they offer a free domain name for 1 year, getting the domain name and hosting from the same company saves you time and money. Then register your domain name with web hosting. 3. Download WordPress and then set up a website. After completing the process of domain and hosting, now we need to download WordPress. To download the WordPress, log in to your hosting and then provide some basic information about your site. Then the WordPress installation will start automatically. And then the hosting will provide some information about username and password. Be sure to save them somewhere else. The first thing you need to do is to test your WordPress website is installed or not. Write your domain name in any browser. It will show like this if it is correctly installed. And the second thing you need to do is verify the SSL certificate. 4. Customize your WordPress website. The first thing you need to do for creating a website is choosing a theme. There are thousands of free themes available in the WordPress dashboard. The theme is the design that changes your entire website looks like. Install the theme from WordPress dashboard which you like. And then activate it. Then add a logo, change website color, scheme, and fonts. After that add a sidebar, widgets. After customizing this, add a page. Normally websites have home page, about page, blog, contact, services, etc. After creating a page, set up this as navigation menu. If you want to make a website, then contact us. We are always there to help you at an affordable price. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe my Webloc YouTube channel.